Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to turn off the restricted mode on your TikTok account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to turn off the restricted mode on your TikTok account, let's open up our TikTok app first. And after opening your TikTok account, the interface will be similar to this, where you can see the contents of the people whom you followed and your friends. And on this interface, you can see the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on your profile icon, and this is the profile interface of your account. Whereas on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the tree line icon over there. Tap on the tree line icon, and when the dialog box appears, tap on the settings and privacy. And on this interface, you can see there is the content and activity category, which is the second one. And when you scroll down a little bit, and over here under the category of content and activity, there is the content preferences. Tap on the content preferences, and over here you can see the filter video keywords and the restricted mode, which is turned on. Let's tap on the restricted mode, and let's tap on the turn off, and we'll be required to enter the passcode to turn off the restricted mode, which we had entered on the TikTok. And let's tap on next, and when it reloads, you can see our restricted mode has been turned off on our TikTok. And there guys, this is how you turn off your restricted mode on your TikTok account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.